Alright guys, well, it's Sunday afternoon and I am free, so I'm going to go check a couple fields and see if they're not too muddy to walk. But I brought my fishing pole and my GoPro with me so I can stop and maybe do some fishing if I can't walk any fields. So we're going to get something today, whether it's an arrowhead or a big bass. I'm going to do my best, so I'll get back with you. Alright guys, well, I made it out here today. Field's actually pretty hard and the beans are pretty thick, but I think I can manage. I mean, it's worth it to get out here and see if we can find something, get some content going. It's a Sunday afternoon and everybody's busy but me, so I'm out here on a solo hunt. But I think, you know, the beans are spread out enough that I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, it's not horrible. And the ground, it's not even sticking to my boots really, so we're in pretty good shape. So I'll get back with you if I find anything, or even if I don't. From here, we're probably gonna might go fish for a little bit. I don't know, it depends on how muddy the water is there too, so we'll get back with you. Well, I think I may have already found at least a piece of one, so that's a good day. Well, I'll be dipped. It's actually a blunt, or a thumb scraper, or whatever they call it. It's all there. That made the whole trip worth it right there. I'm good, I'm out. I'll get back with you. Alright, well, I'm a little bit excited about this one. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty cool. I wish you guys could see how well the colors are. I mean, this phone doesn't do any justice, I'm telling you. What is that? Nothing. Man, I haven't been hunting 20 minutes and I found that blunt, that piece, this base. Pretty cool Sunday. Pretty blessed. I'll be back. Oh. It has been worked. Was it a hoe? Big scraper? I don't know, but it's pretty cool. I'll be back. Well, dumb butt me just popped that up out of that spot right there without even thinking, thought it was a flake. And that is just such a nice piece. I don't know if they call that a triangle or what they call it. Maybe barely a tip missing off of it. You know what's neat about this area is you find these Native American artifacts and then you walk just 20 yards away, 10 yards away, and you find pieces of, you know, modern pottery everywhere. I guess where they homesteaders came in and took the land, I don't know. But anyway, this is just a cool field because of that. I'll get back with you. Well, I'm sure you figured it out, but I've ruined a ton of content by flipping these arrowheads out of the ground before I start filming. And yeah, well, I have a bunch of points at home that I don't even have on video because I don't usually video them if I pop them out first. And but this time I didn't pop it out. It's still there. Don't know what it is yet, but yeah, it's pretty. There's so much rock on this hillside. But I'll get back with you. I can already tell you that's not going to all be there. It's that one I just found. Nope. Oh well. That is the second thumb scraper blunt I found today. I think I've probably found 5 in this field total. That's crazy. That's the second one today. That's awesome. Within 10 feet of each other. Pretty cool. Well, thank you guys so much for watching our videos. If you enjoy our content at all, please like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button so you know when we're posting new videos. I don't know how much more I'm going to be out here today, but I found something. Oh, it's worked really well. Some sort of a scraper or blade. You guys are the experts, not me. Anyway, like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, maybe one more. Pretty cool. It has been an absolutely perfect day. I'll get back with you. Another pretty cool tool or blade. And there's a lot of tools on this hill. That's crazy. Pockets get heavy. Keep taking these daggum things home. I guess it's a scraper or something. In the pocket. Well, alright guys, I made it back to the old Tahoe and I'm heading home. Had a blessed day. I found a bunch of beautiful stuff, so I'll get it cleaned up and get it on here. And again, if you're not subscribed to our channel and you enjoy our content, please subscribe. We're at almost 200 subscribers, which is awesome. So I'm worn out, and it ended up being like freaking 80 degrees out there in the field after it was 68 when I went out there. So I gotta go. You guys have a great afternoon, and I'll see you next time. All right, kind of wanted to do a wrap up of the things I found today, and some of the stuff I didn't get on video, but oh well, picked it up without, you know, the tools. Don't know what it's called. Don't know what it's called. No clue. Or am I? Sorry. My blunts. I was calling them the thumb scraper or something earlier today. I have no clue what I'm talking about. So I don't even know where I got that word. So forgive me. And no clue. I don't even know what I was saying. You guys know better than I do. I can't even tell you what the material is on any of this stuff. Pretty cool. Still don't know what it is. And finally, this dude. It's my favorite. Anyway, this is pretty cool. No idea what it is. Still pretty cool. Well, I'll see you next time, guys. Like and subscribe.